What's up, guys? I'm super excited because I just got my photo background papers or sheets or whatever from Amazon, photographing and recording my content, and my house is not the most updated, so I got these on Amazon and I cannot wait to check them out. So let's see how they look in person. These are really pretty. They definitely need to be flattened out but that was kind of weird, but these are beautiful and I don't have to remodel my kitchen. So for $16, these are gonna create some really cool visuals for my cocktails. I'm excited. I know it's not deception, it's just art beautifying. So I'm gonna make a bunch of how-to videos on cocktails and I'm gonna pick these papers. So I'll comment below which one you think is the best, and let me know if you try it for yourself and how you think the pictures for any food bloggers or cocktail bloggers. This is definitely the way to go. For $16, at least when I'm making it, who knows what inflation's gonna do. This is actually a really, really good deal. I can't wait to use them.